You're basically looking for a needle in a haystack. You're searching through thousands of pictures, trying to find one or two pictures from this one location that if we'd only geotagged it, it would have worked. My name is Bryce Barnes. I work for Hardaway Construction based out of Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm our Director of Innovation. I think right now, the biggest payoff that we've seen is pre-pour inspections. We have seen thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars saved just in pre-pour inspections alone. So we were able to drastically increase our efficiency in our teams. We had a multifamily site and we had owners that we'd never worked with before. And one of the things we found a ton of value with, right, is on that job, both impressing the owners, but also being able to timestamp when certain things happened. OACs went from question mark to no, hey, let's go to DroneDeploy. We saw a lot of value in that because it would change the relationship with the owner, change the relationship with the architect, and really change the relationship with the subcontractors because they knew that we were arguing from a place of truth and a place of this actually happened. So going back to like my very first project, one of the biggest issues we always had was what happened and when did it happen? You're searching through thousands of pictures, trying to find that one picture of this one location. On the bad side of it, you're looking for like an entire day. And that's an entire day of human capital eaten up. You're losing money at that time. And you're chewing people up because they're stressing out trying to find one or two pictures from this one location. You start slow, right? Don't immediately go and say, we're gonna walk every day, because it's not attainable. If you had to start with something, right? You're doing about like 5 to 6 shots of one location. That's not a whole lot to ask. Anybody can kind of do it when you're going on a safety inspection or safety walk. Just throw the camera over your shoulder and you're walking and taking those shots, and they're gonna be invaluable. Anything worth doing is worth doing poorly for a short amount of time. It's not all tech demos, like learning how do I do reality capture? How do I fly the drone? But if it's worth doing, which DroneDeploy, in my opinion, personally, it's one of the best tech softwares. Trust me, it's worth doing. You're gonna have a lot of tangible ROI, and you're also just gonna present a way better product.